today we will be making chicken stock. And my dad is going to make it for his jambalayas tomorrow. But you can make it for anything that you want. Soup, pasta, any typical thing. So let's get started. Here we have some celery. And we're going to add it into this bowl with six chicken thighs. We choose the chicken thighs because that's one of the most juiciest parts and one of the most flavorful. I'm going to add some carrots. And you know, this is my favorite ingredient. You ready? Bell pepper. And a thing that we usually add in like mostly every single video, salt and pepper. Now we're going to add some onion. Now we need to add some water to cover up all the ingredients. Now that we have all the water covering the ingredients, we have it in the pressure cooker. We're gonna put the lid on. Oh geez, this thing is heavy. Gonna press down and see that arrow right there? And it's locked. Now we're gonna put it on high heat and high pressure. And we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes. Well, pressure cook it. Now we're gonna deep pressurize the cooker. And I'm warning you, if you have one of these, be very careful. See that notch? I'm gonna push that. It's like a volcano. My brother thinks this is really funny. You hear that giggle? That's my brother over there. It's like a steam engine when I do it. Once the pressure is done, we're gonna take the chicken out and we'll take the lid off and take the chicken out and close the lid back and put the lid back on. Now that all the pressure's out and we have the lid off right here, we're gonna try a piece of the chicken. That's really good. And we have the fat and the bones in here. And we're going to pressure cook it again, except this on low heat, except this time 1 hour. Now our chicken stock is ready. See, look how good it looks. And now, this is what we did. We drained it. And later, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the fridge so that it'll cool down a little bit. And so you see some of those little dots in there? Those are going to rise up because that's what's called fat. So I think I'm going to taste a little bit. It's good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.